like I and they are personal pronouns. I like to kick. They like to kick. I kick the ball to them. They kick the ball. Oh! Oops! That was a great kick! The pronouns her, him, and them are used for people or friends. This is a girl. I go to school with her. This is a boy. I play baseball with him. These are my relatives. I will celebrate my birthday with them. Match the picture with its pronoun. It, her, him. Match the good job. Match the picture with its pronoun. Him, her, them. Good thinking. Pick the pronoun to use for this girl and drag it to the sentence. I played tag with this girl. Her. You made the sentence. I played tag with her. Sweet. Pick the pronoun to use for this boy and drag it to the sentence. I saw this boy on a hike. You made the sentence. I saw him on a hike. Good job! Pick the pronoun to use for these people and drag it to the sentence. I went on a trip with these people. That. You made the sentence. I went on a trip with them. Nice! Pick the pronoun to use for this girl and drag it to the sentence. I went to the circus with this girl. You made the sentence. I went to the circus with her. Awesome! Sort the people by their pronoun, him or her. Man, man. Boy, girl. Grandma, grandma. You sorted them.